Fáilte go Plámás is mis Ciarán. Is cafe Navs Block Muds in chathair na Gaillimhe agus tá 100 míle fáilte romh. I Plámás is evenlin an Ghradam Sheosaimh cinn an gach bailach ar féidirlin. So an támar fád chuirmar ar na meán socialta bín seanach na seachtaine agin sa café. Tá cúpla focail i gach na nes, is Gailge miseach na chailíní eile bín Gailge má. Agus freisin is 6 áit a dag Gailge isteach agus bín Gailge leart beidir le gach lá is just café. Tá muid an na hásta den in our café Navsblach chathair na Gaillimhe agus chumá siomh a chóirt go Gailge le chathair agus Gailge úsáid i ggóthaic normálta.
Dí gcuid mis Anya agus tá mé gobar an seo I Plámás. It's just really lovely here. It's very kind of a comfortable environment to speak Irish. I personally don't even have a whole pile of Irish, but it's just nice, a little bit of glacadh, you know. It's very Gaeilge, Bristol, not very glacadh, so that's the environment we have here. Come in and speak a little bit of Irish to us.